I thought I would share with you guys how I do my compost tea, and I'll show you the plant I use and also what I've added, and then how I set it up so I can use the sprayer in the garden to distribute it. So let me turn you around. So my setup is a tank. It was an old water tank. I'm not sure what it was used for, but Dave put a spigot on there for me, and it's right here. And then I'm using an air pump, just an old aquarium air pump, connected to a hose, and then I put a bubbler in here. Ooh, that reeks. I put a bubble hose in here, right here. This is a bubble hose, and it makes air bubbles. And I put a bag of compost and a bunch of comfrey plant and added some molasses to this. And the bubbles, you see all the enzymes that are forming. And this stuff is smelly. So I know it's going to be good. So let me show you what the plant looks like that I use. This is a comfrey plant right there. It's a little one because I've been harvesting from it. But here I have them growing everywhere. That's comfrey. One of the best things to use as a fertilizer. Pure nitrogen. So we're running it into the bucket, and then the pump is set up to pump it out of the bucket into a hose and into my sprayer. There it goes. It's smelly, all right. Look at that. That started off with clear water, and it is now taking on the essence of comfrey, which is all nitrogen.
It might plug up.
What?
It might plug up.
Why?
Because it's got stuff in it.
Well, I took a lot of stuff out.
Go ahead and get your nozzle. It's hanging on the cherry tree. Don't spray that window that's open.
I'm not doing very long. You know, this kills powdery mildew too.